Oh yeah, you got it.
Oh, good God.
Okay. Tom, what are we doing here?
Dismantling. Yep, not getting there. You need a 14?
Yeah, sure. Okay, we're here rebuilding the 95 Polaris Indy Storm. As you can see, there's a lot of problems. There's some critters living in here for the last 10 years.
Slight issues.
Yeah, so we found a few issues already. We took the reed valves out and does not look good. Does not look good at all. There's lots of rust in there. So the crank's probably done, but we're not gonna give up yet. Yeah, it looks pretty done, but I'm sure with enough WD-40 it'll run again. So that's what we're aiming for. Okay, Tom, what's your update at?
Fucked. Seized. Belts are hard. Seized.
Okay, so we got two of the cylinders off, and yeah, no, it's not good. The connecting rods are all mangled, crank's all mangled. Everything's just stiff. This cylinder, the clutch side, it had all these seeds and stuff inside the exhaust port.
Those are big seeds too.
Yeah, they weren't small seeds either. Tom's struggling with the water pump disassembly. We're probably just gonna end up cutting it off, but we probably don't need that because it's cold enough around here. So anyway, yeah, may as well. There you go.
Oh, that's not seized. Started.
Yeah, water pump's good. So we could probably reuse that if we didn't cut the belt. Okay, so we got this thing to start turning over. The connecting rods are forcing their way through the ice inside the crank.
Look at the middle one.
Oh my God. Yeah. So there's a really good chance that this thing might run again. It just depends if we run out of budget in the meantime. Yeah, well, that's a good one. Yeah. Hang on. Gotta line them up as they go. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Whoop. Okay. Here, hang on a minute. Yeah, like there's chunks of ice and rust. Just, yeah. There's a whole lot of not good going on in here. But I don't see why we can't clean this up and get it running again. I mean, I'd say the rest of the machine's worth it. Seat's in good shape. Hood, it's okay. Yeah, everything else on it's just seized up, steering seized up, everything. But maybe it'll thaw out and be fine. So we'll try. Okay, we've got the Indy back in the shop today, working on it. Got the motor out, got the crank all split in half. Tom's here just cooking the bearings, trying to get them to free up. That one was tight, but as you can see, just melted the ice out of it. Now it spins over freely. Got a nice polish on it still.
Somewhat.
Yeah, better anyway. So yeah, you can see how bad a condition all this stuff is actually in. It's, yeah, it's been sitting outside the last 10 or 12 years or more. So yeah, we've got it all partly stripped down anyway. We'll figure out what to do next.
Which one was those?
Quick parts wash and some crown penetrating lubricant spray, and we got all the crank bearings freed up, spinning nice. Probably shouldn't reuse them, but we probably will because it's just a budget build. So anyway, yeah. Oh yeah, nice and quiet. That's much better. Oh yeah. If it was a nice sled, we might spend a bit more money on it, but clearly it's not. So yeah, we're doing this as cheap as possible. Got half the bottom end all cleaned up. Got the other half to do yet, but yeah. Things are starting to look like they might work. Okay, an update here. Just down cleaning up some engine parts with the ultrasonic cleaner using Simple Green Pro HD concentrated cleaner. Got a few parts here all done, all cleaned up, ready to go. Cleaned up the old pistons just to see what we're really working with. Obviously going to replace the pistons. But I was able to save 2 of the wrist pin bearings. Got them all cleaned up nice. Got all the reed cages cleaned up. So far I've got 1 cylinder cleaned up. So yeah, I'll just work away on cleaning the rest of this up, and the next video will be assembly once we get some new parts. See you then.